I hope you enjoyed that story about Old Bear, and now it's your turn to create a bear. We're going to use shapes and lines and some patterns to create the fur. So if you would take your finger and just practice drawing the shape of the bear's head. And I am going around and around. Now I'm going to switch to my black crayon and do the same thing. There's my bear's head. I'm going to use that same shape to make two paws. One at the left, one on the right. Now I'm going to use half of that shape to make two ears. Climb up the hill, slide down the hill. Climb up the hill, slide down. Getting close. So far we've used circles, ovals, and half circles. Maybe another circle for where the mouth and nose would be. Speaking of nose, can you give your bear a nose? I'm going to use a straight line down, almost looks like a lollipop. Curve one way, curve the other way. He's quite happy. I'll use small circles to represent the whiskers. Okay? And then the eyes, we'll use more circles. I like to fill in with a smaller circle to show the eyeball. Looking good. Let's add some fur in the ears, some short lines on the paws. You have a happy looking bear right now. Now, whatever coloring tools you have, you can go ahead and color. And when Mrs. Pulliam colors, I'm coloring rather lightly with my crayon on its side. I'm able to cover more of the bear when I turn my crayon sideways. All right, let's make some fur. We can do lots of short dashed lines. It's amazing what we can do with lines and shapes. Can create all sorts of things. Color the nose, mouth area. Pressing a little harder with my crayon. What are you going to use? Now the bear in the story made it through winter and spring and summer, and since we're into November, I thought we could make our bear look like he is ready for winter. He's gonna hibernate in his den. So let's make some of the ground behind him and some of the snowflakes. Make some dots all around my paper. That's the snow getting ready to fall. Or maybe I make the letter X. I can also make a letter X with a line through it. X with a line. We haven't seen snow yet, but we know it's coming. We know it's coming. I'm going to use my marker to draw some land behind him. And I might even try and sneak in a couple trees. Some pine trees. Start with a mountain and a zigzag. There we go. Happy bear getting ready. What else are you going to add to your bear for winter? Okay, your turn to finish. Have fun.